We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Max's Creations mug with a hoop. This unique basketball-themed mug is not just a coffee cup, it's an interactive experience that has captured the hearts of kids and adults alike. If you own this product, we'd love for you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what people love and what they don't about this product. The mug with a hoop is a standout in the world of novelty mugs. Designed by a young inventor in second grade, this product is more than just a mug. It's a story of creativity and innovation. The mug features an attached basketball hoop, allowing users to toss marshmallows into their hot chocolate, cereal into milk, or even toppings onto ice cream. This playful design has made it a hit among families, especially those with children who enjoy interactive and fun dining experiences. The mug is made of high-quality stoneware and has a glossy finish that gives it a premium look and feel. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe, making it convenient for everyday use. The size is generous at 16 ounces, making it versatile enough to serve as both a coffee mug and a small cereal bowl. Each mug is hand-painted, ensuring that no two are exactly alike, which adds to its charm. Many customers have praised the mug for its durability and well-made design. It's not just a novelty item, it's built to last. The product dimensions are 7x5.25 x 4.75 inches, and it weighs about 1 pound, making it sturdy, but not overly heavy. It's also lead-free and BPA-free, ensuring safety for all ages. One of the most common pieces of feedback is how much kids love this mug. Parents and grandparents have shared stories of their children eagerly using the mug for snacks and drinks while enjoying the added fun of aiming for the hoop. It's been described as the perfect gift for basketball fans, young and old, and has even been used as a unique way to encourage picky eaters to finish their meals. Adults have also found joy in this product, using it as a conversation starter or a fun addition to their kitchenware collection. However, like any product, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have mentioned that while the mug is well made, its unique shape can make it slightly awkward to clean by hand if you don't have access to a dishwasher. Additionally, because it's hand-painted, there may be slight variations in the finish that some might consider imperfections, but others see as part of its charm. Another point to consider is that while the hoop adds an element of fun, it also makes the mug less stackable compared to traditional mugs, which could be an issue if storage space is limited. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall sentiment around this product is overwhelmingly positive. Its innovative design and high-quality construction make it a memorable gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's particularly popular during Christmas as a stocking stuffer or Secret Santa gift. The mug with a hoop has also been praised for its packaging, which includes Max's story as part of the presentation. This adds an extra layer of meaning to the gift, making it not just an item, but also an inspiring tale of creativity and perseverance. In summary, the Max's Creations mug with a hoop is more than just a mug. It's an experience that brings joy to snack time and beyond. Its combination of functionality and fun makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to add some playfulness to their daily routine or find the perfect gift for a basketball enthusiast. If you're considering purchasing this product, you can find it through the link in the description to support our channel. And if you already own one, please share your experiences in the comments to help others decide if this is the right product for them.